Hello, heavy machinery enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, The Machines Visit. Today we're bringing you a thrilling lineup of heavy-duty machines that are guaranteed to leave you amazed. These mechanical giants are not just powerful, they operate on a completely different level. So get ready to witness the incredible engineering behind some of the world's most fascinating machines. Our journey begins with the Menzi Muck M545X, a remarkable walking excavator. The Menzi Muck M545X is built for extreme mobility and versatility. With its spider-like legs, it can smoothly move across rugged terrain, steep mountainsides, and even extremely tight spaces, making it an essential tool for demanding excavation projects. What truly makes this excavator stand out is its ability to reach locations where traditional excavators simply cannot operate. That capability turns it into a complete game-changer for construction work in remote and difficult environments. The Menzi Muck M545X perfectly demonstrates how innovation in construction machinery can transform impossible jobs into manageable tasks. Next up is a NASA crawler transporter, a colossal machine that plays a critical role in space exploration. The NASA crawler transporter is an absolute giant, designed to carry rockets and space shuttles to their launch pads at the Kennedy Space Center. Its incredible engineering allows it to move enormous payloads across uneven ground while maintaining remarkable stability. What truly sets this machine apart is not only its massive size, but also its extraordinary precision. Every movement must be perfect because it carries some of the most valuable space technology ever built. The NASA crawler transporter proves how reliable heavy machinery is essential for space missions, where even the smallest mistake could have huge consequences. Now let's focus on Phase Truck TMF28-21, a heavy-duty forklift that means serious business. The Phase Truck TMF28-21 is a powerhouse designed specifically for lifting massive loads with ease. This is far from an ordinary forklift. It handles extremely heavy materials effortlessly, making it an indispensable asset in industries where both strength and precision are critical. What sets this machine apart is its exceptional lifting power combined with impressive stability. When companies need to move enormous cargoes safely and efficiently, this forklift becomes the perfect solution. The Phase Truck TMF28-21 highlights the importance of powerful lifting equipment in modern industrial operations. Now let's take to the skies with the Erickson air crane, a helicopter unlike any other. The Erickson air crane is a heavy-lift helicopter widely used in industries ranging from firefighting to large-scale construction. What makes this aircraft truly remarkable is its ability to carry enormous payloads, including thousands of gallons of water for firefighting operations or heavy construction materials that must be transported to hard-to-reach locations. What separates this helicopter from others is its incredible lifting capacity and operational versatility. In emergency situations and complex construction projects, the Erickson air crane becomes an invaluable asset where speed, strength, and precision are absolutely critical. Let's shift our attention to the Bell's 8000 electric circular saw, an advanced tool transforming the world of construction. The Bell's 8000 electric circular saw is a high-performance cutting machine designed for heavy-duty construction and woodworking tasks. Powered by electricity and equipped with modern features, this tool delivers both strength and accuracy for professionals who demand perfect results. What makes this circular saw stand out is its efficiency and cutting precision. It simplifies even the most complex cutting jobs, making it an essential tool for professionals working on detailed construction projects. The Bell's 8000 electric circular saw shows how advanced tools continue to improve productivity and precision in modern construction. Now let's explore the future of firefighting with firefighting robots. Machines designed to battle dangerous blazes in the most extreme environments. Firefighting robots are advanced autonomous machines equipped with powerful sensors and specialized firefighting systems. These robots can move directly through flames and thick smoke to extinguish fires efficiently without risking human lives. What makes these machines truly revolutionary is their ability to operate independently in extremely dangerous conditions. They represent a major breakthrough in firefighting technology by improving safety for firefighters and allowing fast responses to critical emergencies. Firefighting robots demonstrate how automation is reshaping emergency response systems around the world. Next, Let's dive into the world of underwater construction with the Liebherr Pontoon Excavator P995. Built specifically for underwater operations, the Liebherr Pontoon Excavator P995 is a highly specialized machine designed for marine construction tasks. It is commonly used in projects such as port development, dredging operations, and underwater pipeline installations. What makes this excavator so unique is its ability to work effectively beneath the surface of the water, performing jobs that would otherwise be extremely difficult or even impossible. For projects requiring precise underwater engineering, machines like the P995 are absolutely essential. Finally, we arrive at the Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1, a crane that truly pushes the limits of heavy lifting. The Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1 is an all-terrain mobile crane known for its extraordinary lifting capacity and remarkable precision. Designed to handle extremely heavy loads, this crane has become a game-changer in the world of heavy construction and industrial lifting operations. What sets this crane apart is its incredible versatility, combined with unmatched lifting power. It is the perfect solution for projects that demand both strength and accuracy. The Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1 highlights how modern cranes are redefining the standards of construction engineering. Next, we have the Panther T16, a true beast designed to conquer the harshest environments on Earth. This extraordinary machine is an all-terrain track vehicle that combines power, durability, and versatility in a single rugged design. Equipped with massive rubber tracks and a powerful drivetrain, the Panther T16 can move across snow, mud, ice, and rocky landscapes with incredible stability. Because of this capability, it has become a favorite vehicle for search and rescue teams, utility companies, and even military operations. With its impressive payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability, the Panther T16 proves that some machines are built to perform where others simply fail. Just imagine the possibilities with this powerful machine at your side. Whether navigating through violent snowstorms or crossing muddy and unstable terrain, the Panther T16 delivers exceptional traction and stability. Its large cargo capacity also allows it to transport heavy equipment and critical supplies into remote areas where traditional vehicles cannot go. When conditions become extreme, the Panther T16 is ready to take on the challenge. Moving forward, we encounter the SIR SUG-40T grader, a true champion in the world of road construction and maintenance. This enormous machine is equipped with a powerful engine and specially designed blades that allow it to level and shape terrain with incredible precision. From building highways to maintaining airport runways, the SUG-40T grader handles it all with remarkable efficiency. Its versatility and powerful capabilities make it an essential machine for large infrastructure projects. Watch closely as the SUG-40T grader transforms rough and uneven ground into perfectly leveled surfaces. Its adjustable blades cut through soil and obstacles, redistributing material to create a solid and smooth foundation for roads and runways. This machine truly represents a major advancement in construction technology. Now, let's turn our attention to the Stair Plate Compactor SPV-80HK, a powerful machine in the world of ground compaction. This heavy-duty compactor is designed to compress soil, gravel, and asphalt to create a strong and stable base for roads, buildings, and other infrastructure projects. What makes this machine particularly impressive is its enormous centrifugal force, which allows it to compact large surfaces quickly and efficiently. As the SPV-80HK moves across the ground, its vibrating plates apply intense pressure to material beneath it, creating a dense and stable surface. This process prevents soil settlement and ensures that the structures built above remain safe and long-lasting. With its speed and efficiency, the SPV-80HK has revolutionized modern compaction methods. Another impressive piece of construction equipment is the Schwingstetter 38SX concrete pump, produced by the German company Schwingstetter. This truck-mounted concrete pump is designed for high performance and efficiency in demanding construction projects. With a maximum concrete output of up to 160 cubic meters per hour, the 38SX is perfectly suited for large-scale pouring operations. Its boom can extend up to 37.4 meters horizontally and 32.6 meters vertically, allowing it to cover a large working area. The boom of the 38SX is made from high-quality steel, ensuring both strength and durability during demanding construction tasks. One of the most important features of this machine is its special rock concrete valve, which is designed to handle abrasive concrete mixtures with ease. Even challenging materials such as self-compacting concrete or fiber-reinforced concrete can be pumped smoothly without interruption. Overall, the Schwingstetter 38SX stands as a reliable and highly efficient concrete pumping solution, making it an excellent choice for large and complex construction projects around the world. Next up, we introduce a true game changer in the construction industry, the Volvo 5G remote control loader. Imagine operating a powerful heavy-duty loader while standing at a safe distance from the machine. This innovative technology brings a new level of safety and efficiency to construction sites. With advanced 5G remote control capabilities, operators can guide the loader with incredible precision, even in tight spaces, hazardous areas, or locations that may be unsafe for humans to enter. It represents a bold step toward the future of construction, reducing risks while significantly improving productivity. With the Volvo 5G remote control loader, the traditional limitations of onboard controls disappear, opening the door to smarter and safer operations. This machine allows operators to maintain complete control of the loader's movements while working remotely. It is ideal for tasks that demand accuracy and careful maneuvering in dangerous or restricted environments. By combining advanced communication technology with powerful machinery, the Volvo 5G remote control loader transforms construction work into a safer, faster, and more efficient process. Now get ready to be impressed by the Gomaco GT3200 Sidewalk Paver, the ultimate machine for creating perfectly finished sidewalks. This remarkable piece of equipment pours and forms sidewalks with incredible accuracy and consistency. Equipped with advanced control systems and telescoping frame technology, the GT3200 can easily move around obstacles while producing smooth and beautifully shaped pathways for pedestrians. In many ways, this machine works like an artist, carefully shaping the urban environment with precision and skill. Watch as the GT3200 Sidewalk Paver glides smoothly across the ground, pouring and shaping concrete with outstanding accuracy. Its advanced control systems guarantee uniform results, while the telescoping frame design allows it to navigate around obstacles with ease. The final result is a flawless sidewalk that is not only functional but also visually appealing. The GT3200 has become the preferred solution for contractors who need durable walkways that will last for years. Last but certainly not least, we have the Giraffe Industries Mini 4-Wheel Drive, a powerful machine designed specifically for vegetation management. This compact yet highly capable equipment is built for trimming and removing trees in tight or hard-to-reach areas. With its extendable boom and specialized cutting heads, the Mini 4-Wheel Drive can easily reach tall branches and clear vegetation while minimizing damage to surrounding environment. It has become an essential tool in the forestry industry, improving both safety and efficiency while protecting natural landscapes. Prepare to be amazed by the precision and agility of the Mini 4-Wheel Drive. This machine truly stands out when it comes to handling vegetation in difficult environments. Its extendable boom allows it to reach high branches with ease, while its compact design lets it maneuver through narrow spaces that larger machines simply cannot access. The Mini 4-Wheel Drive makes forestry operations safer, more efficient, and environmentally responsible. Another impressive tool comes from Equalizer International, the NS36T external hydraulic nut splitter. This specialized device is designed to tackle nuts with flat sizes ranging from 50 millimeters to 65 millimeters. Built to handle the demanding challenges of bolted pipeline flange joints, this machine uses a single heat-treated tool steel cutting tip capable of cutting through up to 100 high-grade heavy hex nuts. The NS36T is also known for its shock-resistant heat-treated cutting tip and optimized cutting head geometry, which ensure maximum safety during operation. For additional protection, the machine includes a strong steel shroud that encloses the cutting zone, preventing flying debris from causing harm. With multiple mounting options available, the NS36T provide a reliable and efficient solution for industrial maintenance tasks, where removing stubborn bolts can be extremely challenging. Another powerful attachment worth mentioning is the Darter Rock Splitter C20, one of the most versatile demolition tools available today. This machine is widely used for breaking apart solid rock formations or demolishing massive concrete structures. With an incredible splitting force of 1,500 tons for the short wedge set and 1,800 tons for the long wedge set, the C20 delivers immense power even in compact job sites. Thanks to its integrated booster system that increases circuit pressure by up to 7,000 psi, the rock splitter can deliver maximum performance despite equipment size limitations. Maintenance costs are also significantly reduced due to its built-in lubrication system, which improves productivity and prevents premature wear of the wedge components. This tool is perfect for trenching, site preparation, road expansion projects, and even excavating extremely hard rock formations. When accidents occur, TNT Rescue Systems provides equipment that can make the difference between life and death. Their rescue tools are designed for emergency situations such as natural disasters, vehicle collisions, or structural accidents where rapid cutting is required. Equipped with extremely sharp blades and powerful hydraulic force, these machines can cut through iron bars, vehicle frames, and even thick metal structures. These life-saving tools are also equipped with various extensions and attachments, allowing emergency responders to handle a wide range of rescue scenarios efficiently. In critical moments where every second matters, TNT Rescue Systems equipment becomes an essential part of emergency operations. Another innovation transforming industrial maintenance is Mosmatic high-pressure cleaning equipment, which is setting new standards in commercial and industrial cleaning. These machines are designed to clean a wide variety of surfaces, including concrete, wood, stone, and even graffiti-covered walls. They are also capable of removing stubborn materials, such as chewing gum from public spaces. Mosmatic provides powerful all-in-one cleaning tools designed with durability, ergonomic handling, and sustainability in mind. Additional features include efficient fluid recovery systems and specialized attachments, such as gum remover brackets, making these machines highly effective for both small and large-scale cleaning operations. Waste management is another critical process that relies heavily on advanced machinery. The GSX garbage shears from NY Manufacturing are designed to cut municipal solid waste into smaller pieces for high-density packing into transport trucks. This process helps reduce transportation costs while saving valuable space in landfills. The machine uses powerful jaws with biomimetic teeth that shear waste materials efficiently even in confined spaces. Constructed using QD100 tempered steel plates and AR500 wear-resistant components, the frame is built for exceptional durability. Heavy wall torque tubes reinforce the structure, preventing twisting or structural damage during operation. Oversized pivot pins and bushings further enhance the machine's reliability and long-term performance. Finally, we have the Farigo Stone Burrier, a specialized agricultural machine designed to process soil while burying stones, debris, and crop residues efficiently. Even under demanding field conditions, this machine performs with remarkable effectiveness. It uses a combination of an inverted rotating rotor, a selector rake, and a leveling bar to bury unwanted materials beneath the soil surface. This process leaves behind a clean and finely prepared soil layer that is ideal for planting crops. As a result, farmers can perform seeding and transplanting operations more easily while creating stable and porous cultivation beds. The machine is available in several frame configurations, including fixed, double, triple, and foldable models, allowing it to adapt to different tractor sizes and farming requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Those were some of the most incredible and useful machines and tools you absolutely need to see. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you never miss an update from Machines Visit. We'll see you in the next video. Tractor